Wonderweg. Ano, uso? Ano to sa English?
Wolf?
Oh, that means ay ragyan nga talaga pero may warning la. No? Ano?
Ano sa'yo man ito?
Magi ka nga dati? Ay, cell tissue. Hulog. Ay, so guys, continue. Per hour.
Hindi na namamadaan ng buhay kayo.
Ano na ako. Hinihingal. Feeling ko pumayat ang face ko. Nope. I don't think so. Look, there's snow over there. Malapit lang masyado. Dito na kami sa bukid na may snow. Yan. You see that white? Yeah. Snow na yan. My sister, our tour guide, our malimaling tour guide. Yeah. And my selfie sister, my picture sister. Palaging self. Ay, hindi ako hinihingal na talaga ako. Oh. Basta ako dahingal. Anyway, that's it, update. Nandito na kami sa snow. Yan, yung white na yan, snow na yan. So, akit pa kami ng 5 kilometers. Actually, pag 5 kilometers, lapit lang niya. Ang problema, ano siya, paakyat siya na yung 5 kilometers. Kaya, tapos, mas ano na ata, mas kunti na ang oxygen kasi nga high altitude ang mountain nila. Pero, this is, kaya kami pumunta dito because of this. So, panindigan natin ang mga desisyon natin sa buhay. Para ano. So guys, update. Nawawala pa rin kami. It's been 2 hours, 3 hours na kaming naglalakad and we still don't know where are we. So yes, this is how we go down kasi sobrang steep. Sobrang step. Ay, di pa rin tama yung pronunciation. Wag nang ala. Basta maano. Yun na yun. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Ang ano niya. Wala na. Pero to be safe na hindi kami mahulog, ito na lang. Harapit na, oy! So this is how we do it. Wait lang. Grabing challenge na to ba? Yung bag ko, nag-ano na. Sorry guys. But this is the most. This is the amo nga ni. Kasi siguro nag-try kami niyan. Diyan na kami sa forest na yan. Sobrang ano, hindi siya pang matanda. Na ano na hindi siya pang matanda na hiking. Kasi mahirap siya. Hindi namin kaya, bumaba kami. Tapos pinapaikot-ikot kami doon, yung mga road na yun doon. So ikutin namin yan, pagkalayo-layo ito, ikutin namin. So we decided na bumaba dito sa bukid na to, rolling. Ganito. Ganito. This is how we do it. You see them? Yan. You see my sisters? Yan. Yan sila. Ganyan kami. But we do it. We are here. Tapos pili namin sumakay may train na. Hindi na namin tinuloy. Yan. The very successful hiking First, punta kaming Ibinauf. Hindi na tuloy. Second, late na lang. Parang malapit na kaming mag-give up. So, here we are. Dito na. Guys, tuloy lang namin to. Medyo para makalbaba na kami ng ganito. Alright. But, this is a tip how to, ganyan. Learn. Yan. Ay. See ya. This is to drink water. This is how you do it. Bet tumutot ka man. How you do it. Ay. Let's see. My sister.
Okay, Tija. Marasa?
Oh. Masarap yung water. Malamig. Fresh. May mga siya. Ano't lumot? Tagalog?
Algae.
That's English. May algae siya pero lumot din? Okay. I didn't know.
Berries.
Ay, man. Look at that. Berries, blueberries. Yeah.
Tija, kanina naman, no?
Yes, so. Hindi, okay man. Masayon man ini. So, now, you see that? Actually, mukha siyang flat sa video, pero matakas, mataas siya. And, we're crossing the road again.
1 kilometer na lang.
No? Anong 1 kilometer? 4 kilometers. Pero di ba 6 kilometers yun? So, now, 6, na lang. Grabe. Dapat alas 3 kami makakarating kung yung first initially na pero ngayon 3 o'clock na, tapos 1 hour pa uli. 1 hour and 30 minutes, so 4:30 na kami darating if kanina 30 minutes lang yung delay namin. Naging 10, naging 20, 30. Ngayon 1 hour and 30 minutes na yung delay namin. So,
At hindi namin sinusunod si Map.
hindi namin sinunod si Maps. And, sabi kasi, ni Cecil, madali lang yung mga tapos hindi, wakit kami dyan. Nakita niya, mahirap. Okay, may naman siya, pero pag hindi ka pala hindi ka dapat ito siya kita umagi, oh. Kasi yun, na naman, mas steep na naman. So, wait lang. Picturean ko pa yung
Paglakad la.
so, to see Miss picture. Tapos hindi man yan i-upload. Pero, carry na yan. Alright, kain na to. So guys, nahanap na namin after 3 hours. And,
Look at the river.
look at the river. Palubat na yung camera ko bago na kami nahanap yung sea. And look at the view. Look at that, guys. So pretty. So enjoy nyo. So parang, tas yan yung water kaso walang So enjoy nyo yung view kasi parang kasama nyo na rin. Ano ba yun? Anong Tagalog?
Hindi kasi kami Tagalog.
Hindi kasi kami Tagalog. It's like you're being with us, right? Ganun talaga, charot, joke lang. Eh. Kung waray na lang kasi, I'm very fluent with waray. Yeah. So yan, the view is very,
May nagpa-paragliding, oh.
here,
May napatira.
1, 2, 3. Very, very
Kaya
tired.
dapat yung hike namin, hindi nakakayanan ng oras.
Yun sana kami dyan naakyat yan. Yan yung original plan, even now. Kita niyo yung yung mga lumilipad. Paragliding. Pero no, cannot be. Hindi na kaya. Makyat na kami ng madaming beses. Yan, yung nakyatan namin. Nandyan kami kanina. Yan.
Okay lang ba? Maganda rin naman yung mga nakita.
Ang ganda rin naman. Sulit. Look at that guy, Sil. Look at that guy. Hindi naman siya nagpulid-pulid.
Kasi sanay na siya.
Nagpulid-pulid, yeah. And, there. Yeah. See? May,
Opo, ito nakabike kita.
ang mga ni kung sana nagbike. Mabilis. Tapos, sana dito na tayo nag-start point. Pero anyway, okay lang yun. Nakita natin yung Appenzell. Actually, may hotel mas cheaper kaysa sa St. Gallen. But anyway, it's okay na din. Madami tayong nakita. But this is very pretty. Mas maganda siya kaysa sa St. Gallen. Uy, di pa tayo nag-lake! Budensi! So, pagkadating natin, diretso tayo, Budensi. Kaya pag-abot natin nga to Habed, we're not going to stand up. We're going straight away. Ayan guys, so yun ang plan. But, yung panty mo, wag mo nang labhan. Here. So, yan. Maligo kami sa lake. So, okay na to. Yan na yung view namin. Tapos, pag andun kami sa lake, pakita namin sa inyo. I think kung hindi nyo naman ipa-follow yung ginawa namin, galing Appenzell, tapos sumakit ng bukid-bukid, hindi siya ganun kapagod. So, dito na kayo sa station, bumaba ng Wiser. Sel, ano na station?
Huh?
Ano na station?
Wassenaar?
Parang ganun. Basta nag-start sa W. Parang 2 stations away from Appenzell. Ayan sila. It's pork. See, ang ganda ng view. Ba? Nag-start na ba yung kaso mo manining ako na ay there, start na. So, nahanap na namin yung Ebenalf Bahn. Parang Bahn kasi si station. It's a German word for station. So, mag-cable car papunta doon. Yan, no? But, actually, yung nilakad namin is actually sa likod niyan, papunta dito. Tapos hindi namin kinaya. Kaya bumaba kami. That's the story. Tapos napaka-steep ng niya. So, this is Wasserrauen. Burawin lady. It's Wasserrauen. Actually, Wasserrauen. Okay. Since W is read as a V in Dutch. I don't know. Feeling marunong mag-Dutch. Ay, di pala Dutch. Deutsch. Sorry. Deutsch. Sa Deutsch. Deutsch is German for Deutsch. German for German is Deutsch. German language no is Deutsch. Di ba parang Filipino or Tagalog, whatever. Basta yun na yun. So here, 34 euros packet doon. But hindi na kami pupunta dyan.
Hindi ko na alam na yun.
I don't know how much is it na. But there's a station. Maybe later, hindi na kami mag-walk pa balik ng Appenzell. To-train na kami. Tram or train, whatever it is. Kasi, para makapunta pa kaming Budense Lake. Which is, lake in the other side ng lake is Germany. Freushafen. Hindi ko alam paano i-pronounce kasi I've never been there. And malapit lang yun sa Switzerland side. May St. Gallen siya. Malapit siya dun. Sana namin kung sa apartment kung saan kami nagstay. And from here 750 walk nasa Wasserrauen walk. And from nandiyan na yung lake. So malapit na kami makarating swimming. And there we are. How much still? That's the Ebenalf here. Kasi it can be walked as well. Yun nga, yung sa likod. Pero, siya, hindi siya sa pag-akyat sa taas ay kailangan mong mag-exercise muna.
Kailangan mo mag-practice mga 3 months before kayo mag-hiking.
3 months, no? Because we couldn't do it.
Nanginginig mga tuhod namin.
Yeah. So that's why sana nandito na kami kanina pa. But here we are. And that's the mountain over there. It's actually melting. Natutunaw siya dahil mainit. Kanina, nung malayo pa kami, puno pa yan. Super white. But now, as we get closer, paano na siya? Paano na natin? Patunaw na. But the rivers are... Restaurant?
I can try beer there.
Oh, yes. And because yeah, pero hindi ko na kami punta dyan. Anyway, next time, if we could come back, pero malaki kasi yung Switzerland kasi is pretty. Pag outside the city niya, yung mga ano niya talaga, yung parang wow. So, baka, mga ano na to, hindi ko sure kung mababalikan namin to. Sana mabalikan namin, but, we might try another.
Mag-stay na tayo dito sa akin.
Next time, stay na kami Appenzell or kahit dito na sa yung malapit. Kasi it's really pretty. Okay na rin yan. Nakita namin yung St. Gallen. Ano siya? Simple town, di ba? Kita niyo. Binideo ko ba? Or if ever, hindi ko ng video. Basta simple lang siya. The river is super clean. There. Size, ada. So guys, andito na kami sa may lake. Kasi hindi na kami akyat doon. Anyway, close ang ano. Ayun nga eh. And, tawag nila, my sister. Andyan na yung hotel. I know. Ayaw nga. Still nakita ko yung Hotel Alpine Rose. Dapat dito na ako nag-book. I saw this place. Yan. That's my lake dito. I forgot the price. I don't know. I forgot. What should have been. And, tawag dito, pag okay na ako, pag naka-deep na ako, makapag-swimming lang ako kahit sobrang lamig. I think sulit na ang trip ko. Ever. Bet nakakarigo ka? Maliligo ka? Yeah, both of us. Sel, ikaw? Nope. Alright. So it's just the two of us.
May shampoo ka pa, Sil?
Kaya na magsha-shampoo. No, dito na kami. That's it. It's in a mountain. And dito na ang lake. Hi, Lake Sel. Is it still far? So, yan, restaurant later. Pwede tayong ano to Sil? Mag beer or coffee or pwede na ba din sa lake na rin na? And we're here. So, that's drinking water. Dito na kami, oh. Tama ba? Ayan. Sea. And, parang bago lang daw to na building. And, I don't know how far are we sa lake. Kanina pa kami yung malapit. Isang kilometer. Ha? What?
Dito na kami. Count na lang ng 100.
Ito, lapit na kami. After 5 hours walk, here we are. Look at that view. Wow, amazing. We're in front of the... Hello.
You didn't swim? You didn't swim?
No, it's cold.
Ah, it's cold? Oh, okay.
No, 5.
Oh, 5.
5.
Sabi nila, 50 minutes pa. Oh my gosh.
Bayan mo makaintindi.
But,
Ano itong ano?
there you are.
Maraming sisiliat. Ano
You see?
doon?
You see that look, you know, in front, the view in front of us. That's mountain with snow. Anyway,
Itadawain mo, map.
anyway, kaya pa namin to. Kaya pa, Bet?
Naiihala kita agad pag inagbaw.
Kaya pa?
Pagitaas. Yeah.
Kaya pa? Kaya pa. Tsura
Grabe,
namin.
mga ilang meters lang yung nilakad namin, pero sobrang
Hindi na kaya.
napaka-stiff. Nakakaya naman kay Lola.
Kaya nga, do you see them?
Ah!
They're old.
Hirayo pa. Di, reality at ibubut nga.
Guys, update. We're almost here. Pero grabe. We didn't know that it was going to be so difficult. Akala namin easy walk. But pang 5 hours na namin to na walking. And we're going here. Alam ko dyan ng lake, I don't know. But look at that. It's very, very tall. And my sister over there. And the other one. And then so let's see how it looks like. Kung sulit ba yung almost 6 hours naman na lakad. Ha? Hindi namin sure kung ito ba yung gusto naming paliguan na lake. Kasi probably wasn't, but anyway, it isn't, but anyway. We're here already after 6 hours, almost 5 hours pa lang naman. Not 6 hours. So, yan. Still kaput.
Hello.
Hello. And then, hello.
Hello.
Hindi na kaya. But still, pahuwain kita. 5 hours lang naman actually. I'm walking and climbing. Here we are. Look at that. Wala pa, pero yan na, may bahay na may pag-asa. Nakikita na ako. So, that's the lake. Actually, malamig pero basang-basa yung likod ko ng pawis. And kasi sa akyat ng bukid and everything. So, hello! Hello naman sila. And there. Oh, di na kita agin yan. Maara. So, asya na to. Sel. So, mali yung nadaanan namin. Yung, I think yung staff pang pro. Kanina, may pro, may master. Ngayon, bumaba kami from master to pro. Kasi sobrang hirap pa din. Kasi there's another way over there. Baka mas madali. There. Yun na yung view.
Jack, kita, akadulungan kita kayo nga tutulog. Nakakutsin sila kayo nang umabot.
So, we are here. Kahit 9% na lang ang battery ng camera ko. So, I don't know. Hopefully, di pa siya mamatay before. Kasi yan na yan ata yung lake. Nandiyan na yung guest house, so, kasi, parang restaurant. So, my other sister's over there. My other sister over there. And then, ay, look, there's the lake. And, bet may snow pa, oh. There's still snow. And the lake is over here. Oh my gosh. So, we're going to show it to you. Oh, kaso ano na siya? Parang low tide. No water. Still, we came for this. So, this is it against the sun pa. Paano ba to? Adjust. Akit tayo over here. That's the other lake. And there is... Ay! What I no drinks and no fire. What am I nagsiring na no swimming? Yeah. So pretty over here. Ito kasi mukhang hindi siya kagandahan. Di ba? But here, look at that. Wow, amazing. But now how I'm going to dip. I just need really to dip into the water to feel it.
Tumanaw, nag-ano ra. Kumurigod nga dudog. Oh, kaya yung pipinan bula dit mga tuwalya.
Ha, indapit. Dara, dito ako makarigo. Ay, here, over here. Pwede gyapon, no? Okay, here. Ay! Kauna ko ta. I thought it was a man. It's a duck. So, malusad ako, Sil. I'll take.
Ito dyan, pag damot ba to?
Kaya hindi na ako magliliwan. Anyway, I can do that.
May dato man nag-swimming.
Kasi,
Kubog pa.
hello? Order. So guys, here we are. Dapat may widescreen ako. Yeah. Widescreen ko nga to pa. So 6% na lang yung this is it. Ng mga yung kapatid ko. And medyo ano siya. That after 5 hours walk or almost 6 hours I think. I don't know. Wait lang. Kasi it's very scary. Still, pag hinay, hindi ka mabalinas. And then there, we'll change our clothes now. Dito. Ano na kami, tawag nito, mag-swimming kami over here. And look at that. Wow, amazing, diba? Bet nga di, Bet. Picturean. And, against the sun there.
Asa ini?
So guys, nakapagbihis na ako. Look at me. Look at me. I'm on my swimsuit. Maliligo ako dyan. There. So I'll ask kasi mga less than a minute lang siguro to. So I'll ask my sister to video me. Look at that.
Give me that.
Wait. Hinay. So guys, this is my second time kasi hindi pala inon. So this is my third dip na.
All right.
Yung first, yun, no?
With our crazy sister here in Selp.
Pa naman ng namin ng vlog na yun.
Here in Selp Sea.
This is only to document.
Yeah, here we are. Here she is dipping again
Third time.
for the third time. Dali iti Jack. O naka 3 minutes ka na. Dos, tres. Woo! Crazy sister. Where's the towel? Crazy sister. No.
Wait lang. Hi.
Tijak. Ano ni mo?
Okay.
It's very cold.
Oh.
It's a little bit.
Kadibit ito na video.
Ano na? Ano yan jacket?
I'll stay under the sun. I'll be fine.
Pag ano towel tijak tapos tem ulo.
Hindi naman ako. Okay man na.
Mapasok nakbado.
Nangarigungan nila kanina. Okay lah hira.
Lagi kay ano pa man to? Yan na kay alas 6 na.
Ikaw Asian.
Alas 6 na.
Still, alas 6, di mas mas mapasok kay.
Di, mas mahagkot na tijak.
Tunaw na ang snow.
Oh, come. There's a fish there.
Tapos ang sun directly hitting me. Promise it's okay. Oh, thank you Lord. Third dip.
Napipicture.
Magsiswimming ka tapos I don't think magsiswimming ka kaya wala mong tanggalan yung sapatos.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Jacket. I see.
Ang sirusing ka di. Yan towel. Alright. 1, 2.
Crazy sisters.
Alright.
Ito mo sa
Anak kong lugod camera. Anak kong lugod camera.
Hello guys. So we are here now with my crazy sisters.
Kita kong tiyan. Okay na, pato ba?
And nagdidip sila sa...
Siya.
Anak ang camera daw? Kay tawagin na ada akong bursa siguro. Kay gusto ko, ipapasaw ka ni Emilio nga sa nito ni George Tracy.
Kain.
Pero mano ka na Rivera Emilio? Rivera.
Visit here in Switzerland.
Gabi na, wala ko mariw kay makaradlok. Bagang feeling ko damon
1, 2.
Hi guys, so that's it. Nakabis na ako. Dito lang. Naked lang. So, thank you.
Yeah, she's crazy.
Yeah, and we're going down now kasi it's almost 6 o'clock ng gabi.
Yeah.
Nag-wall ako kasi.
Experience Appenzell. I know. Selfsea Lake.
Selfsea Lake, yes. And it's still snowy over there.
Toblerone is
Look at that.
an hour back.
But kanakita, look at that.
Toblerone.
Yeah.
Baga nangihinayang ako nga dira ako mag-ano, didi.
So she's still thinking if she would go. I did it 3 times. Kasi nga, yung first and second kala namin naka yung video. Tapos okay na ako, tapos hindi pala. So, bumalik na lang ako for that video. Tapos for the free coffee, kasi yung may-ari ng apartment where we stay, parang apartel, may free coffee. Pag mag-dip. Tapos, pag mag 3 minutes ako, 2 coffee.
Ay,
Kaso, naka 3 times lang ako. Hindi naka 3 minutes, hindi kaya ng 3 minutes. No. Big no. So, yan. That's it, guys.
Have you seen my phone?
Yeah. Guys, here we are. Guys, ulit. We're going back na. And, super haba ng vlog. So, this might be this. I might cut it. And, para 2 vlogs. So, iba na naman, ibang way ang daanan namin. We're trying to find a easier one. Kasi, we are very super tired. And then,